Hey guys, I'm Roger Daviston, personal development coach. My hope is to help you grow personally. Sometimes that's at a spiritual level, sometimes it's a level of identity, beliefs, and sometimes it's just skills. So in today's video, we're going to talk about boundaries in terms of emotions. So here is the rule. You own your emotions. You own your anger, you own your disappointment, you own your depression, you own your sadness, you own your happiness. I don't care what it is, but whatever emotion you're feeling, you own that. You own your fear. Fear is an emotion, and we have all of these emotions. And one of the emotions that really causes this problems is anger. So if you are angry, that's okay. Anger's normal. I get angry. You get angry. But here's the key. You got to take responsibility for it and recognize it and own it and then respond appropriately. Your feelings are not facts. So don't let your feelings dictate your behavior. So if you are angry, you're angry, what are you going to do with that? Well, admit to yourself you're angry, own your anger, and then you have a responsibility. See, with ownership comes responsibility. And here's the issue with anger. If you own it and express it responsibly, you can still love the other person in your life and still stay connected to them, even though what they've done, you've responded by this emotion of anger. So if you don't own your anger and respond appropriately, you can suppress your anger, and if you suppress your anger, it will make you sick. It will. If you don't express your anger assertively and in love, it's either going to be suppressed and make you sick, or it might seep out in sarcasm. So let me give you an example of how I was able to express my anger in a loving way and maintain connection with a family member. So holidays cause a lot of problems. You know, family comes and a lot of issues. But so we have this family member in town, and he's staying with us, and we've cleaned up everything, and we live really clean and organized, but this family member doesn't. And so I came home from work tired. Y'all come home from work tired? Yeah, if you're tired and you get angry, you gotta be careful, because there's a place you might respond inappropriately. So I came home tired, and I came in, and this family member had ordered some packages from Amazon. There were 3 packages, and this family member had opened all the packages, paper here, boxes here, and I came in the front door. The dining room, living room was so organized, but now it's a mess. It's a mess. And so my first emotion was, God, that's really pissed me off, just to be honest. And so I let that kind of subside a little bit, and then I had an opportunity to put some limits up. This is where you love people with the limits. You got to love people, but yet you got to put up boundaries. So I said, listen, I need to talk to you about this. I said, I am not pleased with the condition of the living room and the dining room because of what has occurred. It's real frustrating to me. It's real frustrating to your grandmother. And when I go get my wife and she comes in, it's going to be real frustrating to her. I am not pleased. And here's what I'd like to ask you to do. I'm going to leave. I'll be back in about 20 minutes. When I get back by 6 o'clock, please have this living room and dining room organized like it was before we left, and all of this stuff put up. And this person said, yes, I can do that. Now, before I learned how to express my anger in a loving manner, I'd have just gotten mad, screamed and hollered, that'd have been a big problem, all this stuff. So when you're angry, you own it. Better to express it in love. What is love? Kind, patient, gentle, humble, hoping, trusting, persevering, not remembering all that stuff in the past, and speaking the truth, honoring the truth. So I just spoke the truth, honored the truth, and then the humility comes out by saying please, because I don't have any control over somebody else in my life. So when they do something that I want them to do for me, I have gratitude. I'm grateful, and I also ask in humility. Hey, I hope this video helped you, and God bless. Thank you.